In this video, we will see how to generate code coverage for web application e-banking using Selenium automation testing framework in Eclipse IDE. With three simple steps, you can integrate RKTracer tool and generate coverage reports. Step 1, enable RKTracer tool and rebuild the application. Step 2, test the instrumented application. Step 3, generate the code coverage report. So once you install the RKTracer plugin for Eclipse IDE, go to the Run. Under External Tools, you should be able to see options to turn on, off, and to generate the report. For demo, we will use Selenium automation testing framework in e-banking application that can be built in Eclipse IDE and test in the Chrome browser. So the first step would be to go ahead and select the project, go to Run, and go to this external tools, turn on the tool. So you should be able to see this option that this is a project which has been turned on for Maven build based project. It can be even Ant build or the standard Java build. So the next step would be to go ahead and clean and build the application. So let me go to here and clean it. Now let me go ahead and test it, build and test it. So that I can do by clicking on this Maven install. Now you can see that in the red color, all the source files are getting instrumented by RKTracer tool and the test cases are running. So it's opening a Chrome browser, automation test software. This is a demo site. So once the testing is done, might be some test cases will pass and some test cases will fail, but still you should be able to see the coverage. Now you can see that coverage data has been automatically saved to the project working directory. So the last step would be to go ahead and generate the report. Select the project, run, go to the external tools and generate report. And here you should be able to see the code coverage report. So if you go here, just double click and you can see that the lines of code that has been executed. For example, let's say like we do not use this IDE, you are using a standard build command, Maven build. So what you can do is you can go ahead and do Maven clean, make sure that you have cleaned the project, and then test. And what I'll do is I'll just RKTracer -v, or you can just prefix the RKTracer keyword for the Maven build command. Now you should be able to see that it's instrumenting. It's instrumenting all the source files here. Okay. So once the instrumentation is done, I think it is going to run the test cases, and based on that, it's going to generate the code coverage report. Okay. Now here some of the test cases are passed and some of them has failed. So if I go for dir, you can see that just now it has generated. So this is the code coverage file. Now to generate the report, I need to execute RK results. So it's reading the code coverage file and this is the report that has been generated. For example, if I go here, one of the file, and this is the landing page, and this is at the source code level. So green color indicates lines has been covered or a part of the code has been covered. Yellow color indicates the condition or the statement has been partially covered, and red means the part of the code has been not covered or uncovered during testing.